In this video, I'm going to show you how to refund a tip on Doordash. So I'm going to be as transparent as possible with you guys. You usually cannot directly remove or refund a tip on Doordash from the app after the order is completed. However, there are two possible ways people can go ahead and get the tip refunded or the entire order. So in a situation like this, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and contact Doordash customer support, because if something went wrong with the delivery, you can ask support to refund part of the order, which may include the tip as well. So what I want you guys to do is open up the Doordash app, then go over here to the account section, then select over here where it says orders, and then you want to go ahead and find the order that you want to go ahead and actually get the refund from the tip, and you want to go ahead and select on it, and there's going to be an option that says help, and you want to press on that button. Then you need to choose the issue, whether it's missing items, never delivered, etc., and then you can go ahead and request a refund or credits, which you can then use in order to get more Doordash. So again, this is basically the process that you would need to do in order to attempt to get a refund, and you can ask them to only refund the tip as well, but you need to explain the situation in complete detail. And over here is the Doordash customer service number. I recommend that you guys go ahead and call this number as well, but keep in mind that even if Doordash refunds the tip, the driver usually still keeps their pay, and Doordash is going to cover the rest of the refund instead. But in my opinion, the best strategy next time is to tip a small amount first and then increase the tip after delivery if the service was good, or you can type in like a custom message saying like, oh, if you do good service, we'll give you a 20% tip or something like that. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.